I'm back. Hi. We're back. Zanalytics. Welcome to Zanalytics. We're back. You feel me? 2021, man, starting off with a bang. You feel me? Yo, I haven't done nothing for the last 5 days. I ain't gonna lie, but do you know what? I thought only right if I drop first video with a plan for this channel. Do you know what I'm saying? Number one, the most obvious, innit? Do you know what I mean? Like, yo, I don't know about you, yeah, but this house price machine learning project just seems like it's not going nowhere. But I promise, I've done some work in the background. It's just, you know, some things just didn't turn out the way I thought it was gonna turn out. So I've kind of had to revise a lot of things and stuff like that. So, but number one is definitely finish the machine learning project that we started, and I promise you guys it's gonna be worth it. I promise you. Number two, it's gonna be try and do like a lot of like the mini tutorials, like, you know, I've seen like the Docker RStudio Jupyter Notebook tutorial. That was actually pretty cool. But from now on, I'm gonna try keep all the material to like as low minutes as possible. Even if I make like a video that's like 1 minute or 2 minutes, I don't really care. Like, but I'm gonna try like condense everything into like as low minutes as possible. I'll try and obviously keep all the code in the GitHub and stuff like that, but it's to make as many tutorials as possible. Number three is more projects. Now, this is an important part of this of Zanalytics. We want to build little apps. We want to build not little apps. No. Big apps, middle apps, big apps, whatever, you know, headless apps, all of that stuff. We want to build apps, and we want to build apps that actually matter, apps that actually do something. You know what I mean? That's the whole point of this channel. But it's quite difficult to actually find projects like that. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Any hackathons or anything that are building things that matter, let me know, and I'll definitely take part in them. But one of the things that I definitely want to do this year is to do more projects. So basically things like RShiny, Flask apps, Fast API with Python, using Golang, and using, you know, building some stuff. Do you know what I mean? Like building APIs, building chatbots, all of those things. That's the kind of stuff that we want to be working on. You get me? Number four is teach. Now, this is an important, like, just who I am. I love teaching stuff. I love showing people, like, you know, this is how you do it, this is how you do that, whatever. Do you know what I mean? So this year, I don't know if I'm finally gonna be able to do it, but maybe I might write a course. I don't know, you know, I might write a course, but you know, you never know, man. You know, I always say that I'll never write a course, just because I just thought, you know what, there's so much content out there and you can go learn. But do you know what, also realize that, do you know what, bruv, there's certain things that are missing in terms of teaching in just within the software data science type of space. So I definitely want to be involved in that. That give you guys some really good content, teach you guys a few little things that I know. I don't know everything, but I know something. Number five, have fun. Like, do you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, you know, not everything in life is, you know, it has to be crazy and whatnot. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, sometimes you just want to have fun, you just want to relax, you just want to be yourself. So yeah, so that's, you know, that's exactly what we're gonna try and do as Analytics this year, man. It's gonna be a good year. It's gonna be an amazing year. You know, I've got a lot of things planned out as well. This is just for Zanalytics. I've got so many things that I do outside of that as well. But you know what? I can't wait, guys. And you know, I appreciate you guys being there for the journey as well. And yo, like, share, subscribe in it. You feel me? Because this year is gonna be crazy. You feel me? So yeah, Zanalytics.